Good morning, student. As you know that your similar triangle chapter is going on. So today our topic is criteria for similarity of triangles. Okay. Before going to discuss this, if we recap the definition of similarities of two triangles, then we came with the point that two triangles are similar if their all corresponding angles are equal and their all corresponding sides are proportional, right? But sometimes when we reduce it in the most minimized condition, then we have three criteria of similarities. First is AAA. Second is SSS, and third is SAS. First is triple A criterion. Criterion is singular form of criteria. So AAA criterion, SSS criterion second, SAS criterion third. In AAA criterion, if we have two triangles such that their all corresponding angles are equal, then automatically their all corresponding sides are proportional and the triangle are similar. Similarly, if in two triangle the corresponding sides are proportional, all three corresponding sides are proportional, then automatically their all corresponding angles are also equal and the two triangles are similar. And in third case, if in two triangle, if the corresponding two sides are proportional and their included angle are same, then automatically these two criterion also exist in these triangles and the triangles are similar. Okay. Before going to explain all these three criteria one by one with proof, I would like to give you some conceptual points. First, as you know that if in triangle ABC a line intersect two sides at D and E such that DE parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE by AC, right? So sometime this ratio also given as AD by AB equal to AE by AC, or DB by AB also equal to EC by AC. Suppose we have to explain the first ratio in the form of AD by AB, AE by AC. As we have AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Then we take their reciprocals. If two things are equal, then their reciprocals are also equal. So DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Now adding 1 to both sides of equation, then DB by AD plus 1 is equal to EC by AE plus 1. So LCM is AD and numerator is DB plus AD. LCM is AE and numerator is EC plus AE. DB plus AD is AB and this is AD. EC plus AE is AC by AE. Again, when we change them in its reciprocal form, then it will be AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Similarly, you can change the given ratio in this form, directly adding 1 to both sides without changing their reciprocal. So this concept is applicable in our proof of the criterion of similarities. And the next conceptual point is suppose we have two line segment, one is BC of 3 centimeter, another is QR of 6 centimeter. When we draw angle of 60 degree and 30 degree at the both ends, here we found A 60 degree, 30 degree. Similarly, again we draw angle of 60 degree and 30 degree and we get P 60 degree, 30 degree. So my dear student, if this angle 60, this 30, then obviously this 90, this 90, it means in triangle ABC and PQR all corresponding angles are same. So when we measure the length of AB and length of PQ, length of AC and length of PR, length of BC is given, length of QR is given, which is 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. Then we found that the ratio of AB by PQ is also 1 by 2, AC by PR is also 1 by 2. It means this is our activity in which we can measure the ratio of all other two corresponding sides if the ratio of one sides is given and the measurement of all three angles are given which are equal. Then here we found that if the all corresponding angles between two triangles are same, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are also same. Right? These two conceptual point is very, very important for us when we prove all three criteria of the similarities. So you write down this.